Many times, Ultra Shape is not the only thing that you'll need, or perhaps a different type of treatment would work better for you. Contour Medical offers a number of options to get you your desired outcome, like a treatment that uses cold instead of heat. Contour Medical is your one-stop shop for head-to-toe beauty. They offer a variety of body contouring treatments here, including CoolSculpting. Dr. McCoy, how is CoolSculpting different than liposuction?
Basically, with CoolSculpting, we're doing something totally non-invasive, non-surgical. There's no cutting, there's no stitches, and basically we're freezing the fat. But we are permanently reducing it. It's just a gradual process, and it's totally no downtime.
Right, so the fat reduction non-invasively is kind of the bottom line here. And how quickly will people see results?
Most patients will notice results 2 to 3 weeks after the treatment, but it's very slight, and it improves, meaning we get better reduction over a 2 to 4 month period of time.
Yeah, and we've heard the term CoolSculpting on our show before, but you guys are taking it to another level. This is the CoolSculpt Mini machine. Tell us about this and how it works and who's a good candidate.
So this is the Cool Mini applicator, which is the newest thing. It's the rising star from CoolSculpting, and I'll be honest, I think it's the best thing that they've got going right now.
Nice.
So with this, it's designed for treating the chin, but basically you can treat any small area on the body. We do it primarily on the chin, but I've treated the elbows, I've treated the bra fat at the front, the little stubborn belly button fat. You can treat above the knees. Basically any tiny little area, any place that's mini, you can get it with the Cool Mini.
So no anesthesia, no injections, no incisions. How is it working? What's the machine? What's happening inside of this machine?
The term is cryolipolysis, which sounds fancy, but basically it's controlled cooling. The panels of this little applicator are freezing the tissue in a controlled way, and what happens is healthy tissue is preserved, but approximately 30% of the fat that's pulled into this is gone.
Wow.
It dies.
What happens to it?
It's just metabolized.
Okay.
But it's a slow metabolic process, which is why it takes time. But the Cool Mini, compared to all the other applicators, we see our result faster, which is great.
So when we see and hear about CoolSculpting, because it's flooding the market, it's everywhere, you don't see a lot of the smaller, the mini device. And that gives you a little more control, right? If we don't have, because we hear there's certain stipulations you have to use the bigger device, but this seems to be a little more precise.
More precise, and for us, because we have multiple technologies in the office, I like to use this kind of as my finesse tool, my complement, so that we can kind of use it with the other things that we offer in the office.
Right, so we're looking at before and afters throughout this segment. We see men, we see ladies. What are they telling you after a procedure?
Basically, a lot of our men are really into the Cool Mini because it's great for that chin and jawline, and because there's no downtime with this, meaning there's no post-treatment swelling with the Cool Mini. Patients can resume their work, they can go back to normal daily activity, and nobody will even really know about it. And most men like that.
I was about to say, because we say no downtime, what does that really mean? Are we going to look like we had something done? So you're saying no.
No, with the Cool Mini, you really could do this treatment and go back to work, and nobody would be the wiser.
Yeah, and I like that you do offer so many options here. Will you help a patient when they come in to pick the machine that is best suited for their needs?
Absolutely, and that's the big thing. If you only have CoolSculpting, then guess what? That's what you're going to get. For us, we'll combine CoolSculpting with other procedures all the time.
Okay, so if you are ready to get that CoolSculpt mini body by the summer and spring, contact Contour Medical. If you want to try those cool mini chin treatments, the first 10 callers right now will get 10% off a treatment package. Single and double treatment packages are available. They're located in Gilbert. Give them a call to book your appointment, 480-545-2832, or visit them online at contourmedical.com.